Morning all of you. Now today we want to discuss how we factorize the given algebraic expression using the identity x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b, we know what is its right hand side, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, using that identity, how we can factorize the given algebraic expression. So a factorization we already learned using finding common factors method, and also by regrouping, and the third using identities. So we already discussed how we can use the identities, the standard identities, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, then a plus b into a minus b. Using that identities, how we factorize the given expression that we already discussed. Now listen another question. If one factors algebraic expression is given x square plus 5x plus 6. Factorize. The question is factorize the given expression x square plus 5x plus 6. So when we think about the first, that is common factors method, no common factor in all these three terms. Okay, so we can't do that method. Then regrouping also, after regrouping, no benefit for this algebraic expression. Now we think about the identities. First we think about the standard identity. For standard identity there will be three terms. So here also it is three terms, but first and third term should be square numbers. Here first term is square numbers, but the third term is not a square number. So it is not possible use the standard identity. In that case, okay, in such situations we want to factorize this using the identity x plus a and the x plus b. X plus a into x plus b. So for that, it is very easy if you understand that trick. Okay, so for when you get this type of algebraic expression, then think about, first you take the last common, that is what is we can say constant number. Okay, in this expression which is the constant number 6. Consider that 6. Then we just find out its factors. What is the factors of 6? 1 and 6 is another one factor. Another factor is 2 into 3. Okay. So these factors are 6. Then here we want to find out two numbers. Okay. For this, here we want to write this in the form of x plus a into x plus b. For writing that in this form, we want to find out two numbers a and b. Okay. For finding that a and b, we are doing like this. First we take the constant number 6. Then we just think about their factors. So one set of factor is 1 into 6 and another set is 2 into 3. So then here we want to find out two numbers whose product is 6. Two numbers we want to find out whose product will be 6 and whose sum is 5. What is the coefficient of x here? 5. So the number should be, the two numbers we selected, that should be, that number's product should be what? 6, and their sum should be 5. Such numbers we want to select. So for the numbers whose product is 6, these two are possibilities. 1 into 6, their product is 6. 2 into 3, its product also 6. But which pair is suitable for whose sum is 5? 1 plus 6 we will not get 5. But 2 plus 3, we know its sum is 5. So here in this case a will be what? A and b, any take values we can take. A, if it is a, take it as 2, and if b, take it as 3. Then when we take their product, 2 into 3, 6. Okay. 2 plus 3, 5. And they are positive also. All two numbers are positive, so here also positive. So how we can write this number? Only simply write this is equal to x plus, instead of a we can write 2, x plus 2 into, instead of b, but we can write x plus 3. Now it is in the form of this. Okay, so x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, very easy if you got that trick. Then another expression you look, if the given expression is, given y square minus 7y plus 12. Okay, now in this case also we can't use the standard identity here because the third term is not a perfect square number. 12 is not a perfect square. So then we think about in the form of, we want how we can write in the form of x plus a and x plus b. For that we want to find out two numbers a and b. Okay, for finding that numbers a and b, first we think about the factors of 12. How we can write that factors of 12? 1 into 12 is 12. Okay, then another set is 2 into 6 also 12. Then another pair is 3 into 4. Out of these three pairs, which will be suitable? If we take the sum of that two numbers, then we want to get minus 7. Okay, which number is possible to get minus 7 as the sum? The sum should be minus 7 and the product what we want to get? Plus 12. That type we want to select. Okay, the product should be, here the sign is plus, so plus 12. The sum should be minus 7, which is possible for that. Okay, if it is 7, then the numbers will be 3 and 4. 3 into 4, 12 and 3 plus 4, 7. So these will be the numbers will be like this. That is sure. Because the sum we will get 3 plus 4 we will get 7 and 3 into 4 we will get 12. So how we can select the sign? But the sum we want to get to minus 7 and product should be plus. So when we take two numbers as minus 3, one number when we take minus 3 and second number when we take minus 4. Think about the product. Minus 3 into minus 4 we know. Minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. Okay, this is okay. Now minus 3 plus minus 4. Minus 3 plus minus 4 is minus 7. So which are A is minus 3 and here B is minus 4. So how we can write this? X minus 3 into, not x, here the variable used here y. Y minus 3 into y minus 4. Very easy. Okay. Then another question. Obtain the factors of z square minus 4z minus 12. Okay. Z square minus 4z minus 12. How we can do this? Here in this case also the product is minus 12 we want to get it, but the sum want to get minus 4. So factors of 12 we want to select because the constant term is 12. So its factors we want to write 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Out of this which will be suitable for this? Whose sum we want to get minus 4? Sum want to get minus 4 and product want to get minus 12. So which will be suitable for this? So when we take 2 and 6, this pair you look. Okay, and if the product is minus, any one of these two will be minus sign. Okay, only one number will be minus sign. And which number we want to take, which number we want to give that minus, such that we want to get the sum as minus 4. So here the sum is minus 4. So the greater number should be negative. So when we take A is equal to minus 6 and B is equal to 2. Okay, when we take A is equal to minus 6, B is equal to 2. Then think about their product. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12. Okay, minus 6 plus 2. What is the sum of minus 6 plus 2? Its sum is minus 4. So this is okay. So how we can write this? Z minus 6 into Z minus 2. Okay, Z minus 2 not what is this plus 2. In this way we can find out the we can factorize the given expressions. In the case of the third number, if it is not a perfect square, it is very important. If you have any doubts, you can ask and clear your doubts.